Welcome back to Dream Car, the place where we dive deep into the most exciting vehicles hitting the roads. Today, we have something truly special to talk about, the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup Truck. Yes, you heard that right. Toyota is blending the iconic reliability of the Corolla with the versatility of a pickup, creating a vehicle that's set to make waves in both urban and rural landscapes. So buckle up, because we're about to explore everything this innovative truck has to offer. The Toyota Corolla has been a household name for decades, known for its dependability, fuel efficiency, and affordability. Now, imagine all those qualities packed into a compact pickup truck that's designed to handle both your everyday commute and your weekend adventures. The 2025 Corolla Pickup is Toyota's bold step into a growing market of smaller, more versatile trucks that cater to drivers who want the best of both worlds. Starting with the design, the Corolla Pickup is a head-turner. It carries over the sleek, aerodynamic lines of the Corolla sedan but adds a rugged touch. The front grille is bold and aggressive, with sharp LED headlights that give it a modern, sporty vibe. The body is slightly elevated, offering better ground clearance for light off-road adventures, and the bed is compact but practical, perfect for hauling gear, camping equipment, or even a couple of bikes for a weekend getaway. Toyota has always been known for building vehicles that last, and the Corolla Pickup is no exception. The chassis is reinforced for extra durability, and the suspension has been tuned to handle a variety of terrains. Whether you're cruising through city streets, tackling dirt roads, or navigating tight parking spots, this truck is designed to adapt and perform. Under the hood, the 2025 Corolla Pickup comes with two engine options. The base model features a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, delivering around 169 horsepower, plenty of power for daily driving and light towing. For those looking for more punch, there's a hybrid option that combines efficiency with extra torque, making it ideal for drivers who want to save on fuel without sacrificing capability. Both engines are paired with a smooth CVT or an optional 6-speed manual for those who prefer a more hands-on driving experience. Inside, the Corolla Pickup offers a comfortable and tech-savvy cabin. The dashboard is modern and intuitive, with a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Toyota's latest suite of connected services. The seats are supportive and come with available heated and ventilated options, making long drives a breeze. There's also ample storage space, with clever compartments to stash your gear, tools, or anything else you need on the go. Safety is a top priority for Toyota, and the Corolla Pickup is packed with advanced features to keep you and your passengers protected. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, including adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These features make driving not only safer but more convenient, especially during long trips or in heavy traffic. One of the standout features of the 2025 Corolla Pickup is its versatility. It's compact enough to maneuver through tight city streets and fit in smaller parking spaces, but capable enough to handle light-duty work and weekend adventures. Whether you're a city dweller who loves the outdoors, a small business owner who needs a reliable work truck, or someone who just wants something a little different, this truck has something for you. Toyota is also offering a range of customization options to let drivers make the Corolla Pickup truly their own. You can choose from a variety of bed accessories, like toolboxes, bed liners, and even a rooftop tent for camping trips. There are also trim packages that add unique styling elements, upgraded wheels, and off-road enhancements for those who want to take their adventures even further. Fuel efficiency is another big win for this truck, especially with the hybrid model. Toyota has designed the Corolla Pickup to be as economical as possible, making it a great choice for drivers who want to cut down on fuel costs without sacrificing the convenience of having a truck bed. It's the kind of vehicle that can handle your weekday commute, your weekend projects, and everything in between, all without breaking the bank. In terms of pricing, the Corolla Pickup is expected to be incredibly competitive, staying true to the Corolla's reputation for affordability. This makes it an appealing option for first-time truck buyers, budget-conscious drivers, or anyone who wants the functionality of a pickup without the high price tag. And with Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability and resale value, this is a truck you can count on for years to come. The 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup Truck is a game-changer. It's a fresh, exciting take on two beloved vehicle segments, blending the best qualities of the Corolla with the practicality of a truck. Whether you're using it for work, play, or a little bit of both, this truck is ready to rise to the occasion. Thanks for joining us today on Dream Car. If you're as excited as we are about the 2025 Toyota Corolla Pickup, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest and greatest vehicles hitting the market. Let us know in the comments, would you drive the new Corolla Pickup? What features are you most excited about? We can't wait to hear from you, and we'll see you next time with more automotive adventures.